How to use Fiverr affiliate marketing. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how to use Fiverr affiliate marketing and how you can do affiliate marketing on fiverr.com to earn maximum profit and to get the highest commission. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is simply go to affiliates.fiverr.com. You might have heard about Fiverr. Fiverr is a freelancing platform that allows you to sell your services. You can get clients and you can also work as a freelancer on Fiverr.com. But do you know that Fiverr has its own affiliate program as well that helps you earn the maximum profit? You can simply go ahead and promote the leading marketplace for freelancing services, and then you get paid to drive traffic. It's super simple to do. So once you are on affiliate.fiverr.com, then you will land on this platform right here. Now let me show you how Fiverr affiliate works and how you can get started with it. You will find the option of join now right here. Simply click on join now and then you will be able to sign up for Fiverr affiliates. This is your account type. Now you have to select a account type for your Fiverr. If it's going to be a private or a company account, I'm going to go with private. You can also sign up simply with your Facebook or Google account. If you have already signed up for Fiverr, then it will become very easy for you to sign up for Fiverr affiliates. So now I have selected the private plan right here. You have to add your first name, last name right here. Then simply add your email address, username, password, confirm password, select the country. You can select any country right here. All of the countries are actually available for Fiverr affiliates. And this is actually pretty amazing. Most of the time, the affiliate programs are not available in some countries, but Fiverr is actually available all around the globe. Then we have language right here. If you want to go for German, Spanish, French, Italian, Dutch, or Portuguese, you can go ahead and choose any of the language. Or you can simply stay with English. Then you have to add your phone number, and Skype is optional. Then simply click on next. Then you will be able to sign up for your Fiverr affiliate program. The signing up process is really easy. Or you can simply go to login, which I am going to do. Simply log in with your Fiverr account. To log in, what you have to do is simply add your username and password and click on sign in. So once you log into your fiverr.com, then you will be able to simply join as an affiliate. The next step is going to be promoting Fiverr. Share Fiverr with your target audience and there's a match you need. And then you will simply start earning. And the start earning is simply you will get paid for the traffic that you are bringing to Fiverr. That's how simply it works. Now let me actually show you the commission plans available on Fiverr affiliates. This is where you will be able to find that how much you will be making on fiverr.com. So these are the different affiliate plans available. Now let me show you each one of these plans. The first one is Fiverr CPA. Now CPA marketing is also available on Fiverr. What is CPA? CPA is cost per action affiliate. This is the kind of affiliate marketing in which we get paid for each action taken on our link. Any link that you will share, if it's a video, whenever somebody will watch a video, you will get paid. If it's a link and you get clicked on that link, you will get paid. That's how it simply works. You can actually earn up to $15 to $150. And this is actually a dynamic CPA depending on what service your first-time buyer purchases. Then you also have Rev Share, $10 of CPA plus 10% of Rev Share. Then there are different products that you can simply go ahead and promote. Fiverr Business. You will get $100 CPA once the account reaches $100 in spend. And then 10% Rev Share for 12 months. Then we have Fiverr Affiliates, which is 10% of every referred affiliate earning for a lifetime. Then you have Fiverr Learn, 30% of every course order. And then Fiverr Workspace, 50% of every unlimited plan. So these are the different things that you can promote. You can promote Fiverr Business, Fiverr Affiliates, where you will be getting 10% on every sale. Then you have Fiverr Learn. Whenever you will sell a course, you will get 30%. And then you have Fiverr Workspace for, unlimited plan. Then we have all of these different plans as well. So we have $50 for industrial and product design, data sciences, mobile apps, and e-commerce development. These are the different niches and services that you can go for. Then we have $40 for website builders, lyrics and music, web programming, data processing, game development, and website design. Then we have $30 for logo makers, SEO, e-commerce, research and summaries, business consulting, financial consulting, producers and composers. Then we have $25 for gaming, video marketing, social media marketing, voiceover, short video ads, and then $15 for all other categories. You will simply click on Find Your Plan, and then you will be able to find the best plan that works for you. You can simply go for Fiverr CPA or Fiverr Hybrid, whatever works best for you. Simply select a plan, and then you will be able to go ahead and earn what's written right here. So this is the commission plan, which is actually pretty amazing, and it has a lot of good, options for you. You can actually select any of the services, any service you want to. So that actually brings out the variety available on Fiverr affiliates. The next thing that you need to know is the Fiverr affiliate benefits. The first benefit is the maximum earning. Get paid for every first-time buyer with no referral limit and a lifetime attribution. Professional support. Gain access to professional support, tutorials, and dedicated affiliate manager. Then you will get your own initiative dashboard. Easy to use dashboard to launch, manage, and monitor campaigns. Then we have creative resources, a portfolio of high-performing creative assets to help you promote. So these are the different benefits that you get with Fiverr affiliate. And this makes Fiverr affiliate stand out in other affiliate programs. Then you also get different special promotions on different events. There are different benefits to Fiverr affiliate. And if you're looking for an affiliate plan which is affordable, easy to use, and has a lot of commission plans, then you should definitely check out affiliates.fiverr.com and start earning today. This way, you will not only be able to do affiliate marketing easily, you will also be able to earn a lot. If you are a freelancer or a client already working on Fiverr, then this is a very good opportunity for you to go for. You don't even need to sell services, you don't need experience or anything. You simply go ahead and promote different Fiverr plans, and then you simply earn commission for that. And the commission is pretty good as well. You can simply go ahead and make from $20 to $50 as a beginner, and then move up to hundreds of dollars with affiliate marketing. So yeah guys, this is simply you can go ahead and join Fiverr affiliates and start earning today by just sitting at home. This brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to sign up for Fiverr affiliates, what are the different benefits that you will be getting with Fiverr affiliates, and what are the different commission plans. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.